Hey, good afternoon, my friends. I've got some Soviet armour here I'm working on. So I've got this as a T60. So I've just started to put a little bit of rust work. You can see she's still a little bit wet with the white spirit. But yeah, just a very light rusting, because it's not, I'm going to put this on its own separate little display with two tankers. And it's not going to be that dirty. I'm going to put a little bit of pastels underneath there, and yeah, not too much more weathering. Beautiful little kit. This is a work of art, you know, full interior, really good high quality interior. I really like it a lot. This Miniart T60 is highly recommended. Very fiddly, full of tiny photo etch parts, but amazing kit. One of my favourite at the moment. I've also been working on the Limber by Miniart. This little kit is going for about 24 Australian dollars. I got it in my Soviet artillery pack, and it's probably the better one. It's the newer part, the newer sort of thing in the kit, and it's got an amazing amount of detail on it. It really is, but it's very fiddly and very delicate. But I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed building it. And it's just come up really good. It's painting up very nicely. The T70 by Miniart isn't that great. This one I've gone with a 4BO. This is, so you can see the difference between Mr. Color 4BO and SMS 4BO. See how just both are branded as the same color but vastly different. I like Mr. Color's 4BO the best so far. You know, that's just a matter of opinion. I just like the yellowness of it. It's really nice. But I've added a bit of sand yellow camouflage to it, not much, just to give it a bit of interest, I suppose, because it is a very basic tank from Miniart, one of their older ones. So yeah, we're just working away with that as well, because this one's going to go on the Soviet artillery display. It's going to get its own one. So I've been building up the base here for my thing, and my stepfather's saying I should turn it into a city scene, not a country scene. So he reckons I should put my ruined building there and pave this as a Russian sort of city road in Kharkov, something like that. So I've just been trying to rethink that now. This is the road here, so this is the road, that's the junction, so it goes off in those directions. This is a bit of a, you know, embankment here, so we can put, you know, I don't know, some things. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can make it into a city street. So I've got to sort of research what Russian city streets looked like in 1940s. But I've seen so many different things, like in Moscow, it looks like they had roads made of just mud, but also roads made of, you know, stones, smaller stones, and all that kind of stuff. So I don't think there is any heavy raw. In 1940 onwards to the end of the war, Kharkov looked like it was in ruins, absolute ruins. So that would make sense, because the city was in contest most of the war. So yeah, that's what's going on. So I've got some of the cannons here for it and the horses coming along, but I added the broken part to it, so it's now fascist broken on the front of the cannon there. That's nearly ready, so I've nearly got two cannons ready for the display, and I've got one horse, just got a little bit more to do on that, and I've got a couple more horses over here. So this one I've made grey. See what a grey horse comes up like. Yeah, not too bad. So a little bit of more work to do with that, but yeah, it worked out. So yeah, I'm going to try a different collar scheme for my other two horses. And this is Jim Jamison, the Master Box Outlaw. So yeah, put some a black beard on him, so I don't know, I'll see how it goes. Just keep working away, give him gold trims and all that kind of stuff. So just experimenting and having a bit of fun with Jim. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.